Hello everyone. Today we are diving into Claude Code, the new buzzword everyone is talking about. In this video, I'll walk you through the setup step by step and experiment with the new Agents Swarm feature to see whether it really lives up to the hype. First, what is Claude Code? Claude Code is an AI-powered command line interface tool from Anthropic that helps developers directly inside the terminal. But what if you are not a CLI person and you prefer working inside an IDE? The good news is that there is a Claude Code extension for Visual Studio Code. Just open extensions in Visual Studio Code, search for Claude Code, install, and that's it. Okay, requirements. To use Claude Code, you need a Claude subscription, Pro, Max, Teams, Enterprise, or Claude Console account. I personally created a Claude Pro monthly subscription for around $22 a month. Now, let us work on installing Claude Code. On Mac or Linux operating systems, run this command. For Windows PowerShell, run the command below. I am using Mac OS, so I ran the first command. The install took around a few seconds and you will see a success message when it is finished. Then you need to run this additional command to add Claude to your path. Now let us verify that everything works as expected by running the command claude-help that successfully lists the different arguments, options, and usage for each one of them. Okay, cool. Now it is time to see the Claude Code Agent Swarm feature in action. First, let us create a project and start using Claude there. So you run the command make dir, give the project a name, then change directory inside that folder and run the magic command Claude. Claude will ask you to select theme, dark or light, and subscription type. After selecting your options, you will be redirected to the browser window to authorize Claude. I decided to go with the Claude Pro subscription account. So to be honest, first I tried creating an Anthropic console account, but I had issues confirming the payment. So I highly recommend that you set up a Claude subscription with whatever choice you decide to go with, but do that before running the tool. Okay, once login is successful, you see this message on the screen. Close the browser window and return back to the terminal and press enter. Then Claude will display security notes. Press enter to continue. Then you have terminal settings. Select the recommended one and press enter. Then a final security notification about files you create when using Claude Code Agent. Select yes and hit enter to continue. At this point you are ready. Let us explore existing functionality. Claude Code uses special prefixes. For example, exclamation mark for bash mode, / for Claude commands, @ for file path, and $sign for background task. Now type / and you will see available commands. The most interesting ones out of this list are the agents command and the Chrome. Today, we are focusing on agents and building a swarm of collaborating agents. Okay, now for testing, I'll create 2 agents with different perspectives. The first agent is Robert Greene Style Strategic Advisor. This agent analyzes power dynamics, human nature, and long-term strategy. The second agent is Martin Luther King, the moral counselor. This agent focuses on justice, empathy, ethical leadership, and transforming conflicts. Those 2 agents collaborate together to give advice for questions related to the domains they cover. Okay, Now I'll start creating the strategic advisor agent. Use the agent command, the /agents, to create a new agent. You will notice that you can create a local agent tied to a specific project or a general agent that works across all projects. For this demo, I'll choose the project option and continue. Then write the details of your prompt and Claude will generate their configurations. Once done, repeat the same process with a different prompt for the moral agent. Okay, to confirm that both agents are created successfully, use command /agents to list them. You should see the two agents listed under that command, the strategic advisor and the moral counsel. Okay, now the moment of truth. The agent swarm in action. Let us test if both agents collaborate effectively. I'll ask a question that falls within the domain of both agents. For example, what are the top 3 war and peace strategies? And tell me which agent you use to answer. Okay, Claude then activate both agents in parallel. This is what we wanted to see. You will see that strategic analysis from the Robert Greene agent and the moral and justice-based perspective from the Martin Luther King agent. In addition to that, there is a section where both viewpoints converge. And honestly, this part is super cool. You get stable, grounded perspectives because each agent stays consistent with its persona, instead of a single agent switching point of views to please the user, as we all see nowadays. Okay, that was really impressive and easy to set up. Claude made a breakthrough with those powerful, capable agents, and it definitely put other competitors behind. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about Claude Code Swarm agents. Let me know if there is any specific generative AI topic you would like me to cover. See you in the next video. Salam.